Bishop wa kanisa ya Catholic Diocese ya Meru SALESIO Mugambi norĩtie ANTU gũchũmĩria kũthomera ũbatĩrĩ agĩtarĩria mwaka twĩtĩte BARIKUNURA BATIRI BATHATU wake burete untu bwa gũkenera. SALESIO arĩtie kĩrĩ mathiko ja BATIRI umwe ntere cha mujwa.
Akiarĩkia thoneka kũringĩrio mwa BATIRI musikabu SALESIO Mugambi agwĩte kahinda gaka nandi nonete ndingwe nene nontu kwa mwaka jumwe nethiritwo agĩtama BATIRI batano.
This year has been quite a year, having lost 5 priests or more since January. Even in the history, we're having a double loss, but in all this, we thank God, because the one who gives and the one who takes.
Amana bubu augite ndingo eji itonyete mwanganya sukuru ba kuthomera nonto abatiri baba ingi batikuja kuthomera akiuga mwaka jo twitite abatiri bathatu akini baba kunurwa.
Give us more vocations to add the number which is gone, because when the vocations are going down, not only by death, but because we are not getting many young men who want to join us. We have been ordaining quite a number, but this year, next year, we may ordain only 3. So we are going down slowly. But thank God for those 3. Na wengine atatupatia kwa shukrani.
Andi wendi bwawe ni kuona BATIRI bonthe amana baraba gutana BATIRI bakwejamwe na gutira rume baba ingi bagutonya kuthomera BATIRI.
Lakini naomba kila mmoja wetu afanye hiyo kazi. Not only the vocations director, but also every priest is responsible for more vocations where he is working in the parishes, and encourage those who are in the seminary to persevere more and more.
Nkiripotera Uru TV Betamuthuri Muriuki.